Hello everyone, today we'll speak about how to turn off keyboard shortcuts on the application of DuckDuckGo. You will go to DuckDuckGo app as you see. In this page, you will go to these three dots and you will enter. Here in this list, you will go to settings and you will click. Then we click on private search and you will enter. Here you will click on more search settings, then we click here. After that, in this page you will go to this sign and you will click. If this sign changed, then you can know how to turn off keyboard shortcuts. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.